Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name's Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk about different ways to make money online, in person, as well as positivity and motivation. But today's video is going to be way different than any of my videos thus far. And the reason being is this is something new that Facebook is offering creators, and I just really want to share it with you guys. I have had a lot of questions from friends as well as IG followers, and I just want to share it because maybe it will help you if you are interested in creating short videos, especially for TikTok, and repurposing videos you already have to make money. I believe I created my first reel back in October, and at this time it was just me from a personal page creating reels. I didn't realize that I could do it from my business page also, but my thought process is I have a lot of people who are in my corner over on my personal profile that is like family members and friends. So I was like, you know what, let's try it on my personal. So I went ahead and started reels over there. I had a few do really well, a couple over 1 million. And then all of a sudden, the beginning of December, I was sent an offer from Facebook to switch my personal profile into a digital creator. So basically, a digital creator is someone who creates content like short videos and stuff. So I felt like that one best fit my profile simply because I share a lot of short videos of reselling, family stuff, and little things like that, funny reels, little things like that. So I went ahead and switched my personal profile over to a digital creator. Just know in doing this, this is opening your personal profile up to anyone to follow you and anyone to see public posts. So if you want something to stay between yourself or your friends on Facebook, you have to select anytime you post that kind of content to make the privacy for only friends, only family, and only yourself, because you can actually do that if you don't want the privacy to be public. I know that's what is deterring a lot of people from wanting to sign up on their personal profile page, because they're like, well, I don't want everybody to see everything. Well, they're not going to. They're only going to see what you allow. So if you want like your phone number hidden, if you want your email hidden, you can still do that and set it to yourself or your friends. You just have to edit that in the settings. So again, this is what the screen will look like once you are invited to change your profile into a digital creator. And then after this, that's when your reels can start making money. Now, in order to be invited into the Reels bonus program, Facebook actually has to send you the invite after you switch your personal profile into a digital creator. So basically, you will still get paid per like 1,000 views. I don't know the exact amount, but per 1,000 views, you get paid a certain amount. With the Reels bonus, it's like so much more that you can get paid per 1,000 of views. So basically, you have 1 month to get the $35,000 bonus. And this is what my account is currently at. And I started this program December 9th. So I still have about 5 days to finish out strong. So I am really excited to update you guys, because what I'm reading is they pay 30 days after the end of the month. So that means I should be getting paid towards the end of January. But I'm not sure how that works since my bonus started the 9th and ends the 9th. So I don't know if they will do 30 days after that ends, or if the cutoff was for the end of December, and then whatever, I may be still accumulating towards this bonus, but that will be paid out the next month, if that makes any sense. So definitely stay on my page, subscribe to me, because I really want to update you guys on if this is real or not. I mean, I'm pretty sure it is, because I've heard about the Instagram Reels bonus that was offered. I just didn't jump on that bandwagon back when it was offered because it kind of was confusing to me, but I wish I would have. So that's why I really wanted to jump the gun and get on Facebook Reels as soon as possible, especially because I have a ton of content over on TikTok that does really well, and I can reuse all of that content. I know some people say you need to remove the watermark, But for me, I haven't removed the watermark, and I have tons of TikTok videos that are posted on my Reels that have gotten 1 million views or even hundreds of thousands of views. So I don't think that this really matters that much. I think Facebook really just wants you to put out content. So again, I'm just regurgitating from my TikTok, my Instagram, and I'm just posting that on my Reels. So I actually had a warning message after I first signed up that one of my Reels wasn't making money because of monetization or something like that. I didn't meet guidelines. So it was like a red flag saying I wasn't earning money. I clicked to learn more and I read up about, the guidelines and stuff on what you can post, what you can't post, and I met all the criteria. So I found a way to contact Facebook and ask them, hey, I'm not making money. Is there a reason why? None of my content had music in it that wasn't allowed, and stuff like that. So one huge thing is if you're regurgitating stuff from TikTok, make sure you don't have music in it. You want to set the original video to the volume to 0 and use a music track that Facebook allows. Once you create a reel on Facebook, you can actually choose from a huge catalog of music that they have. So make sure you remove the music from TikTok and add what Facebook has. Otherwise, you can risk losing monetization status over on Facebook. I do know that's one huge thing. I don't know all the guidelines. Again, this is super new to me too, like 3 weeks into this, but I just really wanted to share with you guys. So if you have any questions, I can try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Just let me know in the comments below. And if you're really curious if I do get paid out the amount that I showed you, let me know in the comments below too, and be sure you do subscribe because I will be putting out a video as soon as that money hits my bank account. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to put out more content for you. Have an amazing day.